Welcome to this video, everyone. So in this video, we are going to learn user action pseudo-classes in CSS. So let's get started. All right, everyone. So you see right here, I have a link and I have given it the class name of my links. So you can give this class name to different href elements. So I have given it the class of my links, and right here inside of the style tag we are going to select that link. So I'm going to type in dot my link, and now we are going to say colon to use pseudo classes. So you see, if I say colon and if I say hover, so whenever I hover it, for example, whenever I hover my pointer over this link, I want to do something. So let's say that I want to change the color to orange. So I'm going to say orange here. And now if I hover over a link, so you see, if I hover it, it doesn't work for some reason. So dot my links, so dot my link, so dot my link. Okay, so now you see it works now. So you see if I hover it, it's going to change the color to orange. So that's it for this hover. And now there is another one that says active. So my links colon active. So whenever you click on it and you keep it pressed, or if you tap on this element and keep it pressed, you are going to do something. So I want to change the color to crimson, for example. So now if I hover it and keep it clicked, you'll notice that it's going to change the color to crimson. So this is it about this one. Now going to the third one, so I have dot my links colon visited, because this one is for visitors. For example, if someone browses your website and if that person has visited some pages, maybe you want to change the color of the link to a different color. So I'm going to say color colon. So now if I click on it, you see it doesn't work on this little browser, but if you try it on Chrome, so it doesn't work here, you see, but it works on Google, Chrome, and other web browsers. So this is it about this one. We can use a pseudo class to change the border. So for example, I'm going to say dot my links again to work with that link. So dot my links colon. So this one is a little bit different because this is called focus dash within. So focus within and open two curly braces. So inside of the curly braces, you can do anything you want. What I'm going to change the border. So border 2 pixels, solid, orange, red. So now you see whenever I click on this link, it's going to add some border around it. All right, so this is the focus. So whenever I click on it, maybe I want to add some focus to it. Whenever I click on it, you see it adds some border there. So now going to the form, you see I have a form here. I have a little form, and it has an input field. So I can say input, all right? So to select the input fields, so I can say input focus. So whenever I focus, let me change the background color to a different color. So I'm going to say background color orange and font dash weight bold. So whenever I click on it, you see it's going to change the background of this input field. So we can type in our name or something. All right, so you see it adds the font weight and the background color whenever I focus or click on it. There is also another one that says focus visible. For example, this button, you see whenever I click on it and nothing happens to it, but if I can add this, so I can say button colon focus visible. All right, so focus dash visible and open two curly braces. We can add an outline. So for example, outline colon 3 pixels solid purple. And now you see if I click on it, it doesn't work. But if I press tab, you see it adds this, this, and this. All right, everyone. So I hope this video was helpful about user actions pseudo classes in CSS. So I hope that you liked this short video.